Hi, today we're talking about Vjuve post-treatment advice. As we discussed in your pre-treatment consultation, the C02 fractional laser uses controlled heat to create tiny pinpoint microchannels in the superficial layers of the skin. These very small thermal points stimulate new collagen production underneath the skin and help refresh the surface. So over time, this can improve fine lines, texture, pigmentation, and overall skin quality, making the skin appear smoother, fresher, and more hydrated and younger. To get the best results from your treatment, there are a few important aftercare guidelines. So immediately after your treatment, your skin will be warm, pink, and may feel like mild sunburn. Within the first 24 hours, you may still feel residual heat or light stinging. This is completely normal and part of the healing process. For the first 48 hours, we would avoid wearing any makeup and avoid touching the treated area unnecessarily. Your skin has tiny open microchannels and we want to reduce the risk of infection or irritation. So clean hands are essential if you need to touch the area at any point. Hydration is extremely important. You need to drink approximately 2.5 to 3 litres of water per day to support healing and collagen production. Well-hydrated skin heals much faster and usually has less visible downtime. So downtime does vary slightly from person to person depending on your skin type. But on average, redness and swelling settle within 7 to 10 days, and a deeper collagen rebuilding process takes longer. You will often see gradual improvement over 6 weeks, with the most noticeable transformation appearing around 3 months, as new collagen has fully developed. For the first couple of days after the treatment, we want you to avoid any heat. So no hot showers, hot baths, saunas, steam rooms, or spicy food or alcohol, and any direct sun exposure. All of these increase the heat and dehydration in the skin and can delay your healing response. So try to limit caffeine and very sugary drinks, as they can also contribute to dehydration and increase your skin sensitivity, and continue to prioritize water over everything else. Rest is extremely beneficial, so plan your treatment on a day where you can go home afterwards if possible. While you can return to work, you may prefer a quiet day to allow the skin to settle, as you will look a bit blotchy. Use a clean cold compress if the skin feels warm or stingy. A simple sterile glove filled with cool water works really well. Avoid ice directly on the skin. Avoid heavy exercise, cardio, or high intensity training for 48 hours. Gentle stretching, yoga, or Pilates at home is fine if you feel comfortable, but the aim is to keep your body heat and sweating low while the skin heals. Do not exfoliate for at least 7 days. We want the skin to repair itself naturally without any friction or scratching. Instead, use a gentle, high-quality moisturiser and a daily SPF of at least 30. Sleep also plays a major role in your recovery. Use a clean pillowcase, clean bedding, and try to get a good night's rest before and after your treatment. We do not recommend anti-inflammatory medication unless advised by a doctor, as inflammation is part of the natural healing response that stimulates your collagen production. Some skin types are more prone to temporary colour changes than others, which is why a patch test is always performed before your full treatment. This allows us to see how your skin responds to heat and ensures the therapy is safe and suitable for you. So over the following weeks, improvements will continue as the collagen builds beneath the surface of your skin. Results are progressive rather than instant, and patience is important. The most significant change is usually seen around the 3-month mark, which will get you back in to do your after pictures. We're happy to recommend professional grade skincare products if you would like guidance on these, and these are dermatologically tested and designed to support healing and long-term skin quality. If you have any concerns at all during your healing, please contact us. Your skin is regenerating, and with proper care, you will see gradual natural improvement in texture and appearance.